I offer an interesting way to prepare a popular restaurant salad Caesar. Although the salad consists of fairly ordinary products, it still turns out to be very refined. We're trying. Prepare all the necessary ingredients. Boil the eggs hard-boiled. Cut the chicken fillet into small plates 5 to 6 millimeters thick. And fry in a small amount of vegetable oil until golden brown. Ideally, if you will grill them. Cut the bread into small cubes and dry it in the oven or microwave. Peel the tomato and cut it into thin slices. Assemble the salad. Put the washed lettuce leaves on the bottom of the plate. Put tomatoes, crackers, sliced eggs and chicken pieces on top. Prepare the dressing. Mix freshly squeezed lemon juice, mustard and a little olive oil in a small bowl. Pour the finished mixture over the salad, sprinkle with sesame seeds. Although they are not included in the classic version of the Caesar salad, they go very well with vegetables and give the salad a piquancy. Serve the salad as an appetizer before the main course or as a main course. Enjoy your meal.